Hello everybody, my name is Felix and today we're making Thumbprint cookies.
Huh?
No, not you, Thummy. So the first thing we're gonna need is 3.5 sticks of unsalted butter.
Baba Booey.
We're then gonna unwrap our butter and start mixing until it's nice and creamy. After that, we're gonna add 1 to 2/3 cups of sugar and start mixing it at a medium speed.
I repeat, do not skip this step, or your cookies, I say your cookies, will be trash.
So guys, just make sure you mix it for about 3 minutes and you'll be all smiles. And if you're not for sure, it should look a little something like this.
Nice.
After that, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 2 eggs. We're then just gonna stir our butter mixture until combined and set it to a side. Now that your butter mixture is all done, let's get started on that flour mixture. So the first thing we're gonna do is add 3.5 cups of flour inside a bowl. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna give it a little shaky shake and put it inside our butter mixture. We're then gonna mix it until combined and start forming our cookies.
Finally!
So all we're gonna do is grab about 2 tablespoons of cookie dough and start forming those cookie dough balls. Then afterwards, we're gonna roll inside some sugar and get Mr. Thummy.
I love you.
So all we're gonna do is grab our thumb and press it right in there.
Ta-da!
We're then gonna add a kiss on top
Or some lovely jelly.
and bake in the oven for this many minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video and I hope you have a good day. Peace.